Good morning, class. This is Mamta Khanna and welcome to video lecture of English literature. And today I am going to cover up chapter number 1, The Best Christmas Present in the World, taken from the book Honeydew. Okay, so here I would like to cover up the first chapter from the syllabus. Okay, so before proceeding, I would like to ask you some simple questions. Okay, so let me ask. Okay, first of all, you tell me, have you ever gifted someone anything? Have you ever given someone any gift? I think the answer is yes. Okay, the second question. Have you ever got a gift from anyone, be it your mother or your father or your anyone, on your birthday or on the festivals or any other great days? I think it is yes. Okay, so now let's come to the second question. Okay, you tell me now. After receiving those gifts, what do you do? Yes? Do you say something? I think you say thank you. Yes or no? Okay. So, question number 3. So, when you receive those gifts, how do you feel? Do you feel good or not? Most of the time we feel good. Yes or no? Because we received something unexpected. Yes or no? Yes, only in some few cases we are not so happy because we want something else but we used to get something else. Okay, but most of the time we are always happy with any gift given by someone else. Fine? So here also in this story we are going to learn the best Christmas present in the world. Okay, now let us see. Explanation. The story begins with the author buying a cheap roll-top table. Now see, roll-top table, it is an old-fashioned table of the 19th century. Okay, this type of tables were seen in the olden days where there were many drawers. Okay, there were many small and large drawers for something to be kept. Fine, it is not just a simple table. So nowadays we have simple table, a flat table. Yes or no? But roll top table is something different from the table which we are using. Fine, like suppose there is a table and then there will be many drawers. Okay, there will be many drawers. Fine, it is a special type of table but which is no longer used. We do not use it anymore in our day-to-day life. Clear? Okay, so the author was buying a cheap roll-top table from a junk shop. A junk shop means a shop where useless things are sold. Okay? Though it was in a bad condition, the author thought that he would restore it. Okay, and the table, okay, the desk was in bad condition. Why was it in the bad condition? It was in the bad condition because when the table was brought to the junk shop, the table was already damaged by water and fire. Clear? It so happened that the house where this table was kept caught fire. Okay, and the fire brigade, they poured down the water on the house in order to control the fire. Okay, so when the fire was caught in the house, even this roll top table caught fire. Okay, and then later on when the fireman cooled it down with water, this table was damaged by fire and water. Clear? So the author had seen that the table was in bad condition, yet he thought that he would restore it. He would restore it means he would mend it again. Clear? Okay, next. On Christmas Eve, now Christmas Eve means a day before that event. Okay, now see, Christmas is on 25th of December. Eve means 24th of December, means ek din pehle, a day before the event. Clear? So, on Christmas Eve, that means on 24th of December, he started to repair it. The author started repairing that roll-top table. It was of 19th century and was made of oak. So the table was of 19th century and it was made from the wood of oak tree. Okay, oak is a name of a tree. So the drawers were badly damaged due to fire and water. And the drawers, okay, they were badly damaged. बहुत बुरी तरह से खराब हो चुके थे due to fire and water. When the author pulled out the last drawer, he found a secret space there. Okay, and the author, he tried to pull out the drawers, all the drawers. Okay, and in the last one, he saw that there is a secret space there. Is it clear? There was a secret space. मतलब एक कुछ space था जहाँ पे कुछ छुपा के आप रख सकते हो. कोई एक secret space था वहाँ पे. Clear? In that secret space was a small tin box. अच्छा, उसके अंदर क्या रखा हुआ था? उस secret space के अंदर वहाँ पे एक small tin box था. Tin box means a box made of tin. Fine? On top of the box was written. Now this is the box. Okay? So on the top of the box, जहाँ से box खुलती है, वहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ था? Jim's last letter received January 25th, 1915. So on the box it was written Jim's last letter. Okay, that means inside the box contained the last letter of Jim, which was received on 25th of January 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. Okay, so it was written that this letter must be buried with me when time comes. That means when I die and when the time of funeral comes, this letter must be buried with me. Is it clear? Okay. Inside the tin box was an envelope with the address written on it. Okay, so now the author, he tried to open that tin box. Okay, so when he opened the tin box, he found an envelope. Okay, he found an envelope and over it was written the address. And what was the address written over there? It was Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport. Fine. So this was the address. Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport. The date on the envelope was December 26, 1914. Okay, and on the date on the envelope was 26 December 1914. Clear? Okay. Now, the author, he opened the envelope and he took out the letter. Fine. Now he started reading it out. The author began to read the letter. It was written by Jim McPherson. Okay, so who has written that letter? It was written by Jim McPherson. Who was he? He was a captain of the English army. Fine. He was the captain of the British army and that letter was written to his wife Connie. Fine. So that means Jim McPherson, who was a captain of the English army, had written the letter to his wife Connie. He had narrated a beautiful incident. Okay, and in that letter, what did he mention? He narrated a beautiful incident that took place. Now, incident means ghatna. Okay, narrated means batana. Okay, so that Jim McPherson, he narrated a beautiful incident that took place on the battlefield on Christmas Day. Okay, so now here in this letter, he is going to write, he has written what happened with him on the battlefield when it was a Christmas Day. Clear? Okay, so what it was? It was a Christmas Day and the English and Germans were at war. Okay, so that the incident took place during the Christmas time. Okay, that means 25th of December. Clear? So, on the battlefield were the armies of the two countries. That means the British Okay, the English and the Germans. Fine. So they were at the war. That means their country were against each other. Fine. And the war was set on. Fine. So both the armies, that means both the British, the Englands and the Germans, okay, they were in their respective trenches. Fine. Then both of them, they were in their respective trenches. That means here were the British armies, English armies, and here were the German armies. Fine. All of a sudden, he saw someone waving a white flag from the German side. Okay, then all of a sudden, that means at once, ठीक है, उसी वक्त उसने क्या देखा? जिम मैकफर्सन ने क्या देखा? Jim McPherson saw someone waving a white flag. Waving means हिलाना, लहराना. Okay, ऐसे ऐसे लहराना. Okay, he saw someone waving a white flag from the German side. So who was waving the white flag? The German. Okay, the soldiers of Germany. They were waving a white flag at the English armies. Clear? He heard German soldiers wishing them Merry Christmas. Okay, so now he is telling that this incident took place on Christmas Day. Yes or no? So he is narrating that he heard that the German soldiers, they were wishing the British soldiers Merry Christmas. Fine? Some of the English soldiers also wished them the same. So even the English soldiers, they wished them the same. That means they also wished them a very, very Merry Christmas too. Clear? Okay. After that, what did he see? Surprisingly, they saw German soldiers moving towards them. फिर उन्होंने क्या देखा? उन्होंने ये देखा कि जो जर्मन के जो सिपाही थे वो उनके तरफ बढ़ रहे थे. They were moving towards them. This alarmed Captain McPherson. Okay, so when they saw that the German soldier, they were moving towards the British army, towards the British soldiers, then Jim McPherson was alarmed. That means वो alert हो गया था कि शायद ये एक trick हो सकता है. That it must be a trick of the German soldiers. Fine, but it was nothing like that. Clear? He thought it could be a trick. ठीक है, McPherson, what did he think? He thought that it could be a trick of German soldiers. But the German soldiers brought canned meat and wine. ठीक है, तो फिर German soldier अपने साथ क्या लेकर आए थे? When they were approaching towards the soldiers of the English, okay, what were they carrying along with them? They were carrying canned meat. Okay, that means meat जो डिब्बे में भर्ती हो करके जो बेचा जाता है. Okay, canned meat and wine. Fine. This shows that the German soldier, they want to have peace with the British soldiers, with the English soldiers. Okay, because it was a Christmas day and they don't want any war on that particular day, because the festivals are meant for peace. It is not meant for killing and for destroying. Clear? So that both the German soldier, they thought of having a peace with the British soldier for a single day on 25th of December. That means on Christmas Day. Clear? So this much we are doing in the first part. Okay, and the rest, second part, I will be teaching you, I will be explaining you in the next video. So I hope the first part is clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching.